Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A03s, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply enter the recents, and you can do it just by tapping on this 3 bars icon in the left corner. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously opened apps. If you want to, you can turn off only one of it just by finding it and swiping it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just simply tap on close all. We just got back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents, and here we've got no recent items, so it means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.